Hey y'all, it's boy Joe. Welcome back to Anomalous. How you doing? Cup of Femdom. Yeah, you heard me right. Femdom, which actually has a special property, just not in the way you think it is, and that's going to be for a later video. A bold, intense aroma greets me, immediately grabbing my attention. A flavor that doesn't ask for permission, as if the drink itself carried an air of authority. Interesting. Alright then, that is the Cup of Femdom. If you enjoyed this episode, please stay to your friend's video. Bye bye.